power of reading God's law, inspiring spiritual transformation and obedience. Throughout history, the reading of God's law has played a crucial role in the lives of His chosen people. Its purpose? To guide, inspire, and transform their spiritual journey. Moses, a wise and humble leader, understood the importance of reading God's law. In Deuteronomy 31:11, we learn that he read the law before the Israelites during the Feast of Booths. Moses aimed to keep the Israelites spiritual and sober, to ensure their obedience to God's commandments. The legacy continued with Joshua, who gathered all the people to hear the entire law. His purpose was to encourage the chosen nation of God and remind them of His promises. Shaphan, guided by a deep sense of responsibility, read the book of the law to make the godly people aware of the essential spiritual principles they should follow. According to Deuteronomy 17:19, the kings of Israel were required to read the law and every precept and statute of commandments. This ensured that the nation would be ruled in harmony with God's will. Josiah, a devoted king, recognized the forgotten power of God's law. He read it before all the people with the intention to lead them to repent and rejuvenate their faith in the God of their forefathers. Finally, Ezra's reading of the book of the law brought about a grand renewal of the covenant with God. His aim was to guide the people into the right path of Jehovah. The power and impact of reading God's law cannot be underestimated. It has inspired spiritual transformation, revived faith, and encouraged obedience among His people throughout history.